Wild bird, I have mended your wing. Now I'm wondering if my cold white hands can let go this hold on your fluttering heart.
Hi, I'm Tim the Birdman. Today, I'm introducing the zebra finch. The zebra finch gets its name from the zebra-like feathers on its neck. They nest in low shrubs and trees. They live in grasslands and forests of New Zealand. They eat millet seeds and little pieces of fruits and vegetables. They make a lot of different sounds. For example, here's one. It lays 3 to 12 eggs in the spring. Cool fact number 1, the zebra finch could eat all day if it has to. Cool fact number 2, it was naturally bred and introduced in New Zealand. Well, that's all for now. I gotta fly.
Wild bird, I have mended your wing. Now I'm wondering if my cold white hands can let go this hold on your fluttering heart. I know you're anxious to make a new start, and will you call me